Alright guys, just giving you a quick walk around of everything going on with the truck before I get this video started. So you can see you got ISSPRO gauges all in here. You got your EGTs, your trans temp, which the truck hasn't warmed up yet, so it's of course not going to read anything right now. And then your fuel pressure, which this truck gets great fuel pressure with the FASS 150 it has on it. So everything from it'll focus or get a little light in here. Everything from the headliner to the overhead console. Everything is in great shape. It's got a great sound system on this truck. As you can see, no check engine lights, just the seatbelt light, and of course I park it every single time with the e-brake on. It's got 188,000 miles on it, and we're probably going to turn, and the AC, by the way, good lord, it's got a new AC condenser, new AC compressor, so the AC works really good in this truck. It's actually about to have to turn it down. I'm so cold. But what is going on, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. And the day has finally come. If you guys watched yesterday's video, then you already know what this video is about. But if you didn't watch yesterday's video and you're just clicking on this video, make sure you go back, watch yesterday's video, watch why we're doing all this, watch what is to the future or for the future of this channel. And the main summary of why this is happening and all this change is happening is because I can't make 3 years of second gen content. I'm kind of getting bored of the videos on these trucks. Even though I love them, I will always love these trucks. We got to keep pushing forward in our life, pushing forward on the channel. And if I'm not excited to make videos about these trucks, I don't want to make videos about them. And I haven't been making videos about them, as you guys have seen. So this truck right here, we'll get to the nitty and gritty. I'll have a parts list in the description below if you guys are interested in this truck. It's located in or near Dothan, Alabama. Of course, you're gonna have to come pick it up, or I got one guy who's saying he wants to have it shipped to Washington State, which is fine with me. I'm down doing that. Of course, you'd have to pay the shipping cost though. The asking price for this truck is way too low. It's actually probably going to be a huge problem for this truck selling it, because this truck all day is a $20,000+ truck. And some of you guys may say, no, it's not. Yes, it is. I can guarantee you it is. This truck all single freaking day is a $22,000 truck, in my opinion. If you guys haven't seen this truck in person, you have seriously no idea. You have seriously not even a slimmer of idea what this truck's about. Everything from window seams to paint has been replaced on it. This is just an absolutely beautiful truck. So let's talk about asking price real quick and why I said it's going to be a problem. Because I said yesterday the truck, and I'll sell it for 16. I'm not trying to make any money off you guys. I bought this truck for 14 grand 2 years ago, and I've put probably almost 20 grand in it. So me asking 16 grand, and I have so much money in this truck. Like I said, I bought it for 14,000 myself in Hawaii. If you guys didn't know, this is a Hawaii truck. Never seen a salty road, never seen a drag strip, never seen a heavy trailer. This truck is beautiful. It is the one you want if you're looking for a second gen. I can guarantee you that. It has an Italian block, so it's either an Italian, the numbers come back to either an Italian block or a Mexican block, which is some of the best blocks you can get on these second gen 24 valves. We already showed you the walk around of the truck, like I said in my last video. By the way, the P-pump truck, let's talk about it real quick. By the way, we'll have a video out tomorrow on the red and white first gen that is going to be for sale, or is for sale. And of course, see if I can get some better lighting. So the P-pump truck, let's talk about it real quick. So my video went live yesterday. If you're interested in that P-pump truck, let me know by either hitting me up on Instagram, which I'll tag on the screen and in the description, or emailing me if you don't have Instagram. I'm asking $14,000 for that truck. Now, 99% of people that watched my video yesterday, they have common sense and they know what that thing is worth. They're like, man, you are insane. And yeah, a lot of people are calling me insane for selling it that cheap. But then you have that 1% that have no idea what that truck is. They have no idea what that truck is worth. They just have no idea. They're just commenting. So one guy was like, oh, it was in a wreck and all this and that. And yes, it was involved in an accident, but a lot of people don't know. It was indirectly hit. It wasn't hit. It was indirectly hit. So there was a car accident in front of the truck and it rolled into the front bumper. My brother, of course, everybody exaggerates things, and you know, I do it. Where all YouTubers do it. My brother did it. He made a thumbnail that made the truck look like it was completely fucked, and every YouTuber does it. When he made that thumbnail, I guess that guy seen that video and was like, "Oh, the truck's been totaled." It's not totaled. It was a front bumper, and that was pretty much it. That was it. The grill got messed up, of course. It's right there by the front bumper. All that was replaced by the insurance company, and that is an awesome truck. Trust me, if an insurance company sees that a 1999 Dodge Ram is in an accident, what is the first thing an insurance company wants to do? Immediately what runs through their mind is total it. It's a complete loss at that point. The truck has that's another thing. The truck has 300,000 miles on it. A lot of people are like, man, that's way too many miles, and yeah, that's a lot of miles. One guy said that the bottom end is not rebuilt, and that's true. The bottom end is not rebuilt on that truck. Some things you got to think about, and that's of course something that I thought about whenever I was making the price on that truck. So that's why I'm only asking $14K. Is the bottom end has not been rebuilt on that P-pump truck. The parts list on that truck alone is well over $15K. You could part that truck out, that P-pump truck out, and make more money than $14K. And that's just the God honest truth. Everything from the paint and bodywork on it to it's just, there's so much to do on that. There's so much that's done on that truck. $14K is more than reasonable. If you don't think it's more than reasonable, then you're just not a reasonable person, or you just don't know what the P-pump 24 valve is and what it stands for and the reliability and the reputation it has. So I'm surprised somebody didn't come with a trailer last night. Actually, there's tons of people that say they're going to get the money to me next week. They want to buy it this weekend. They want to buy it next weekend. I'm surprised somebody didn't pull a trailer up to my house or to my town last night and pick that thing up. I'm surprised, honestly, I still have it. So P-pump truck is still for sale. All these trucks, and until the money is in my hand, they're for sale. And that is because I don't want people kicking tires, wasting my time. So until money's in my hand, these trucks are for sale. If you see them in the videos, they're for sale. $14K on the black P-pump truck. It's an immaculate truck. God, it's on the same level almost as this truck, but it's not, only because the miles are way lower on this truck. 188K on this truck, and then 298,000 on that black P-pump truck. But the first gen video will be out tomorrow. I'm selling that thing for 4,500 bucks. Good Lord, sweet Jesus, man, that is a steal. That is a freaking steal. That video will be out tomorrow. You may look at it and be like, God, that thing looks like a piece of shit, only because the bed's off. But we'll talk about that video tomorrow. Everything's been redone on that truck, and you could literally sell the gauges in it and probably make more money than I'm selling it at you. So let's talk about the video today, and that is my baby, my favorite truck that I will always love forever. Make sure if you buy this truck, you're gonna take care of it. That's the biggest thing. I want to find a buyer. That's why I'm selling it so cheap. And I know this video has been all over the place, but let's talk about the asking price. So $16K asking price. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 four-wheel drive extended cab short bed is the specs on it. 188K miles. It has a Mexican or Italian block, one of the best blocks you can get. No rust, no blow by, and parts list will be in the description below. 16K asking price is not bad whatsoever on this truck. I suspect that somebody may pay up to just secure it. What I think I'm gonna do is, because so many people want to buy it at 16K, it's not fair to the. It's not fair. I can't pick a buyer at 16K. So many people are interested in it. So what I may do is wait till maybe this weekend to say, hey, you guys can make an offer. If you guys have a better offer than 16K, so be it. We'll pick the highest bidder. But if not, 16K is going to be it probably. Either this weekend or early next week, I'll probably make the determination on that. Of course, it's an original sport. It's not a sport conversion. It is a sport truck, and it has, of course, been repainted. It has just a ton of work into it. It's been well taken care of. We'll show you this side of the interior real quick. Maybe you guys didn't see it. Of course, the truck does have subwoofers. It has 2 tins under the back seat. Everything is just immaculate condition. One of the most crazy things about this truck that you guys will probably never see in your lifetime is, wow, if the settings will get better, you guys can see the dash has never been repaired, has never been cracked. There's nothing wrong with this truck. This is, I'm not gonna say one of the most badass second gens, because it's not. There's nothing really badass about this truck. But it is one of the cleanest second gens you'll ever find, in my opinion. Only because I'm pretty much the second owner. The second owner had it for only a month. He was in the Navy. He had orders. Bought it from him. He was on orders to travel the world, so I got lucky and got a steal. Well, not a steal. Still paid 14 grand for it, but I got lucky with being able to purchase this truck and having the opportunity to buy it from him. So somebody come pick her up. She's ready to go. She has a bed liner on her. And she's been sitting over there under the pine tree, so she's got some pine tree in the bed, but of course I have that all cleaned out. Some people may be wondering why the hell isn't the roll pan on. I had to tow my trailer, so I took the roll pan off, but of course she will come with the pristine, freshly painted roll pan. She'll of course come with the rear bumper. If you don't want the rear bumper, you don't have to have it. The original one, there's nothing wrong with that bumper. It's in fantastic shape. And it'll come with a spare set of 4 rims and tires. So for 16 grand, man, somebody is going to be happy. And like I said, if you want to pay a little bit more to secure this truck, I will pick the buyer end of this week towards next week. Somebody is going to come pick this thing up and be a very, very happy owner. There's nothing wrong with the truck. Something we need to talk about is, yes, it has a stock transmission. Reliable as all hell. The 47RE has been nothing but reliable for me. It's had tons of power. Nothing wrong with it. Ships like a dream. There's no reason for me to upgrade it. And a lot of people were like, man, you're stupid for not upgrading it. It's an S362 turbo. It's not anything crazy. I really don't have to worry about, especially at this stage with nothing's wrong with it, a built transmission is not in dire need. And that's the only reason, that's one of the reasons I'm not selling it for $22,000, because it doesn't have a built transmission. But I don't suspect anybody's gonna have an issue with the transmission anytime soon, as long as you take care of it like I have and not dog it and beat the crap out of it. So, but that's gonna do it for this video, guys. That's the rundown, that's the overview, that's the visual of this second gen sport truck. If you want to buy it, hit me up on Instagram or email me. We can talk about shipping it. You can pick it up locally here in Dothan, Alabama, or whatever's convenient for you. The video will be out tomorrow as well, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm taking that face to face, got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict, every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the